Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to redeem codes in Epic Games account, or you can say how to redeem your product code in your Epic Games account. So first of all, you need to log in into your Epic Game account, or you can say how to you can say first of all you need to visit on your epicgames.com website, and you need to log in into your account. And once you logged into your correct account, you need to tap on your profile icon, and over here there is an option like redeem code. Okay, now tap on redeem code. Once you tap on redeem code, it will pop up a new window. You will say redeem your product. Now you need to enter your product code, which is printed on your DVD or Epic Games product. Okay, so you need to enter your code over here, and you need to simply tap let's take an example. This is the code, so you need to enter your correct code, and now you need to tap on redeem account. And once you complete this option redeem, then that's it. This is the tutorial. By using this method you can easily redeem your product code in Epic Games. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the example. Now you can, if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.